What is up guys, this is Vishu from SavageCamp, and in the last video we used a list comprehension. So this video we are going to do a similar program which would be to create a list and remove the duplicates. So if you remember, we have sets only to remove duplicates. So a set is mostly like a list with some differences. And one of the major difference between a set and a list is it does not has duplicates. So we can use sets over here. So let me create a list first. So let's do this list underscore a. And what I will do is for I in range 20, I'm going to do list a dot append and put I. And I will do this twice. So in this way, we have a list with duplicate numbers. So if I print out the list, we have a list with duplicate numbers. Now this is going to be very easy if we use a set. So if I do list underscore b is equal to set of list underscore a, and I type print list a and print list b, then list b is going to be a set which is without any duplicates. If you want to convert list b into list, you can pass list function again and it is going to create that as a list. But this is like a simple way. You don't really need to convert it into a list. If the question is asking for the answer to be a list, then just add this. But that is it for this video guys. As you can see, it is very easy to use sets to remove duplicates from a list, and that is it. It's one line of program. You just convert it into a set and it will give you a new set without the duplicates in the list. So I will see you guys in the next video.